Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath. Today's video is how safe is your investment in fixed deposits if bank closes down, what happens? Last week, IndusInd Bank shares crashed by 28% due to some discrepancies in accounting for its derivative transactions. IndusInd Bank's internal review has estimated an adverse post-tax impact of 2.35% in its net worth as of December 2024. As per initial estimates, the bank's profits may fall by Rs 1,500 crores in January to March 2025 quarter. When this news was announced, many people who held bank deposits in IndusInd Bank were worried about the safety of their money in the bank. Although the share price fall of banks need not have any connection with the safety of its deposits, it may bring about doubts in the minds of depositors. There were similar concerns a few years back when there were problems in Yes Bank. Fixed deposits are considered a safe investment option because they offer capital appreciation, guaranteed returns, and regulatory protection from the RBI. But over the years, there have been many cases, especially with cooperative banks, when RBI puts restrictions on withdrawal when they observe financial irregularities. Are your deposits safe in banks? FD is chosen for guaranteed returns, liquidity, and safety. Your deposits are safe provided you choose the right bank. The following things can be kept in mind to decide which bank you should maintain your deposits. Number 1. Give priority to government and large private banks such as HDFC, ICICI and Kotak Mahindra Bank. If possible, invest by dividing the FD in different banks. Third one, generally be aware of overall financial position of the bank and RBI reports also. 4. Avoid cooperative banks for your safety. How much deposit insurance does government provide? In India, the government provides deposit insurance through the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of the RBI. The deposit insurance covers up to Rs 5 lakh per depositor per bank for a total of principal and interest amounts. That means if a bank fails, the depositors are entitled to a maximum of Rs 5 lakhs as compensation regardless of the number of accounts they have in that bank. This deposit insurance covers almost all types of deposits like savings bank, fixed deposit and recurring deposits. If you have more than 5 lakhs, then up to 5 lakhs only is the coverage. More than 5 lakhs means that you will lose the remaining amount if the bank closes and the bank cannot repay the money. You will get at least 5 lakhs from the deposit insurance. Possibility of good news. As per reports, the government is considering doubling the insurance cover on bank deposits from Rs 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. The rationale behind this consideration is to provide mental comfort, especially for senior citizens who may have majority of their net worth in bank deposits. The increase in the deposit insurance will also increase the confidence in the banking system in India. However, as of now, these are just news reports and the government has not made any official announcement. With the prior approval of the government, Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation had raised deposit insurance coverage limit from Rs 1 lakh to 5 lakhs with effect from February 2020. Increasing the limit could bring a lot of mental peace for deposit holders because when people are doubting the bank itself, then it becomes a big problem for the banking system. People will not be very encouraged to invest in bank deposits. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section in which bank do you maintain majority of your deposits. Type the name of the bank in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.